don't pressure yourself. Yes, kasi alam mo ngayon sa social media, you can see a lot of people investing in house, in a farm, in a car, ganyan. Just listen to yourself. Kung ano lang yung kaya.
Hello mga ka-investies and welcome to the new season of Hashtag Money Series by BPI Wealth. And as usual, I'm your host and investee JM. And to start it off, we have today Yael Arevalo. So Yael is a content creator, an engineer, and a self-proclaimed frustrated investor. He's on a mission to find the right fit from time deposits to equities, buying a house. Ayan, so lahat tayo, yan yung pangarap, no? And dreaming of a farm. Ito medyo kakaiba, no? Pero sige, later on we'll discuss more of that. Pag-usapan naman natin yung journey mo towards, kasi kanina nabanggit ko na you're a frustrated investor. Pero what started it all? Ano yung investment journey mo naman?
Actually, I started na makita yung value talaga ng pera when nag-pandemic. Kasi nung makikita na parang kailangan mong i-value yung this money kasi at in a snap, pwede siyang mawala, di ba? So, yun, I had a friend na nagmulat sa akin sa investment scene, ganyan na parang, dapat yung pera mo, hinahati mo siya. So, hindi lang siya for gastos. Kailangan may savings, kailangan may for bills, kailangan may play funds. Nag-start ako sa mga time deposits. Kasi syempre, of course, nagsa-start pa lang ako, so hindi pa ako ganun ka-aggressive. Meron tayong tinatawag doon, no? So, anong tawag doon? Yung moderate, aggressive.
Yung mga parang risk profile.
Yeah, yung risk profile. So, kumbaga, yung risk profile ko that time is yung una, yung level 1, conservative. Ayun. Yes. So, nag-start muna ako sa mga time deposits, ganyan. So, nag-explore talaga ako. And then, doon ko nakita talaga na parang, pwede palang mag-grow yung pera mo.
Do you have parang a financial routine ba that you do on a daily or a weekly or a monthly basis?
Yes. So, ayun, basic lang. Hinihiwalay ko yung mga savings for emergency fund. Yun, I always have emergency fund. Then I also allot funds for bills. And next is yung play funds. So yung play fund ko, ayun yung ini-invest ko for myself. And I think that's helpful kasi alam ko kung ano yung limit ko.
So yun, so talagang pag-divide.
Basic lang talaga.
Basic, pero very important to start with the basics. Kaya minsan kasi nakalimutan na ng mga tao, no, na to start with the basics. So isip agad nila when it comes to investment, malaki agad. So sa investment is really doing the small steps but doing it regularly. Yan, so yun yung ginagawa mo. So you're very into sustainability. So siguro if you can talk us about this sustainability goals that you're into right now.
I am an advocate of sustainable fashion. So, since 2023, nag-create na rin kami or nag-upcycle kami ng mga damit.
Wow.
And then, yung damit na yun, yung sinusuot ko sa mga events. Like for example, what I'm wearing right now is a sustainable fashion talaga. Yun yung parang naging advocacy ko. Kasi, ang dami kong damit. Sobrang sayang naman kung once ko lang din sila masusuot. So, nakaisip ako ng ways.
Nakatipid ka pa. That's very interesting, no? So, and we're one with you, no? So, BPI then is one with sustainability. So, we have actually different investment funds na tinatawag, no? So, these are unit investment trust funds or UITFs na invested sa mga companies that are geared towards sustainability. So, zero carbon emissions is one of them. So, there are really companies that are geared towards that, no? And si BPI, especially BPI Wealth, is looking out for these companies na pwede naming mapaglagyan, mapag-investan para pwede naming ma-share with people that are really geared towards sustainability.
So, actually, yung sustainable investment that you're talking about is that you're partnering with other companies.
With other global fund managers that are investing into companies na may vision din, just like yourself, in sustainability. So, Yael, we do have investment funds or UITFs, no, unit investment trust funds na invested sa BPI sa sustainability efforts, no. So we have actually 3 funds, no. So we have the BPI Global Bond Fund of Funds, Sustainable Global Bond Fund of Funds.
Okay.
We have the BPI Sustainable Balanced Fund of Funds, and we have the BPI Sustainable Equity Fund of Funds, no. So these 3 products are already available online. Aside from BPI Wealth having our fund managers na mag-aalaga doon sa funds mo, we also have partner with a global fund manager na sila naman yung nag-aalaga ng mga funds kung saan natin nilalagay yung funds na galing dito sa mga investors here in the Philippines. Some final insights. Ano kaya yung mga pwede mong ma-share sa ating mga ka-investees?
First, of course, is always do your research, guys.
Yeah.
Kasi sobrang daming available options for you. Pero, mau-overwhelm ka. Tsaka dapat alam mo kung paano yung appetite mo when it comes to investing. Kailangan mo din ng people around you to na mapagtatanungan. Like for example, si Investy JM.
Ayan.
Investy JM. Pwede mo silang tanungan. And then, hindi naman kailangan malaki ang i-invest mo to start an investment. Kasi there are a lot of products and a lot of options that you can try na sobrang minimum lang ang kailangan mo. Tsaka ito pa, when you are investing, always have this discipline. Kasi, if wala kang discipline, parang sinasayang mo lang.
Wala din.
Oo. And siguro lastly, don't pressure yourself. Yes, kasi alam mo ngayon sa social media, you can see a lot of people investing in house, in a farm, in a car, ganyan. Just listen to yourself. Kung ano lang yung kaya.
Ayan. So thank you. Thank you,
Yes,
El,
thank
for
you so
those
much.
very, very good insights, no. So sa mga ka-investees natin, no. So again, the perfect investment isn't just about mga ka-invest about numbers. It's about aligning your money with your goals. A big thank you
Thank you
to
so much.
El Arevalo for joining us. And again, investees, if you enjoyed this episode, hit subscribe on YouTube and follow us on Spotify. Just search Wealth Radio. And mga ka-investees, if you're ready to level up your finances, i-invest mo na yan through the link on your screen. Keep investing in yourself and your future. Catch you later.
Bye,
Bye,
guys!
investees.